Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a vintage frame. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a sturdy base frame, perhaps one you already have. Collect decorative elements like appliques or molding to add character. Don't forget essential tools such as sandpaper, strong adhesive, and various paintbrushes. Finally, select paints and finishes that will help you achieve that perfect aged, vintage aesthetic. Getting organized now makes the rest of the process much smoother. Now that you have your materials, let's prepare the frame. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the base frame to remove any dust or grime. Next, lightly sand the entire surface. This helps the paint adhere better. If there are any small imperfections, use wood filler to smooth them out. Finally, apply a thin, even coat of primer. This step is crucial for a professional-looking finish and ensures your paint goes on beautifully. With your frame prepped, it's time to add those charming vintage details. Carefully attach any decorative appliques or molding using a strong adhesive. Make sure everything is securely fastened. Once dry, apply your chosen base coat of paint. Think about colors that evoke an older feel. For added depth, you might even consider layering 2 different paint colors, which will be useful for distressing later on. The final steps bring your vintage frame to life. Apply your top coat of paint and let it dry thoroughly. Now, for the aging magic. Gently distress the frame using fine grit sandpaper or a distressing tool, focusing on edges and raised areas. Next, apply an antiquing glaze or wax to deepen the aged look. Finally, seal your beautiful creation with a clear protective coat to ensure its durability for years to come. Enjoy your unique vintage frame.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.